Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Going to put a draw band into this Royal. This is a Royal Saber, but it's the same thing as a Safari and a Custom 2 and a few other models like this. And so the carriage is loose on this. No tension came in that way, and had to repair the ratchet, which I did another video for. It was slipping all the time. I've got that repaired and fixed, and I just cleaned it some in here. That's why the protection's on the card guide. But it's time to put the drawband on. So the drawband on this one was wrapped around the mainspring, which took a little bit to get out, and it was this cable type, which does not look OEM. It's got a weird end that was inside of here, but doesn't look, it looks frayed. But then the side that connects the carriage, which I guess was this curly Q side thing, has a clean cut, like somebody cut it with a, that usually frays when cables break. And cable shouldn't have even broke on this if it was a cable, so I don't know. But it's going to get replaced with a drawstring, which I already modified to fit. This is going to go in the mainspring portion, and that connects to the carriage. And I guess it's about the right length, but winding the spring is the tricky part. There's no way to ratchet it tighter. You just have to do it by hand, and access from beneath is very limited. So I'm going to wind it by hand here, and I made some little notches in the mainspring right there, there, and then this is, I'll push with that opening, and there, so I can wind it with a tool. I'm already winding it right now. I'm loading it up, but it starts slipping, so I'm going to grab my tool here, this guy, this push tool, and I'm going to use this to help wind it up. I can kind of hold it, so I can wind it, hold it, wind it, hold it, wind it, hold it. It starts getting pretty tight here, pretty quick, but it's got to be compressed, or the spring won't, or the drawband won't go in here. The mainspring is still in the way until you compress it somewhat. So I'm going to keep on winding this, holding it. Oops, there we go. It's getting pretty tight. Let's see if I can get a grip on this. There we go. It's spinning around. Alright, it's pretty tight right now. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do one more, see if I can get it through one more spin here. Boy, it's about to slip out of my finger when I let go of it there. Okay, got it, got it, got it. Okay, and I also made a little notch here so I can stick the tool through here somehow. There we go, and stick it in that little notch, and so I can hold it there. Okay, so now it's loaded up right now. Now we just need to get this knot through that hole. The spring still needs to be compressed some, but I can do that with this tool, I think. And we'll stick this through that hole. See if I can get it to fit. It's a little tricky. Pretty tight spot there, but let me try some more. Okay, that worked. It's in there. Now I gotta get the tool out of place. Let me reposition the spring with this tool. Like that. So I can get this tool out. And get this drawband in the, there we go, right there. So I can let go of this. Okay, that's in place. So now I just need to run this to the other side of the machine and connect it to the carriage, but I think I'm going to, I want this spring tighter even, so I'm going to go ahead and wind this through one loop. See if I can get this down through the machine and give it a so it comes back out over here. Well, I don't think I'm going to do that. I think it's going to be too short if I do that, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it through. Pull it through to the other side. I'm going to use my extension hook here. I'm going to extend it out, and I'm going to line it up with the carriage. Send it through the carriage here, see if I can fish this through. Find out. Must be an opening there somewhere. There it is right there. So now my little hook is right there. So I'm going to hook this up and pull it through. Pull it through, twist this right like this. And there we go. I'm going to leave that connected there for now. Come over here. I didn't think about it, but that thing is in the way. I'm going to tilt this up like this. And that string here is going to connect right there. So, let's move this. See if I can get this connected up here. Like that. Just goes around that little loopy thing right there. Okay, let's set it back down. Come over here. Make sure everything's good here. Looks good. I'm going to try to reach under here, and I'm just going to release this with the tool here. Release the tension here. Pull the tool out and let it tighten up. Okay. She's on there. Let's wind it up and see. Move this margin out of the way here. Alright. That needs to be tighter though. Doesn't feel tight all the way to the end here. That might be alright. Be pretty hard to get another wind on this, I think. Okay, I think we're going to leave it like that. I'll give it a try. If I need to wind it tighter, I'll just go one more turn on this if I need it. But the access beneath here was very limited. Where is it? It's way up in there. You can only get to it through here. Pretty tricky to get to this one, but it's done. I think it'll probably be alright. So, that's our drawband video of the day. And, alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.